28/12/2021 നടന്ന എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് അസിസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് PWD എക്സാമിൻ്റെ പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ ആണ് നമ്മളിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, എ സെമി കണ്ടക്ടർ ഹാസ് ഡാഷ് വാലൻസ് ഇലക്ട്രോൺസ്. ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 4. സെക്കൻഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഇൻ എ ഡാഷ് ദ എനർജി ഗ്യാപ്പ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ദ കണ്ടക്ഷൻ ബാൻഡ് ആൻഡ് വാലൻസ് ബാൻഡ് of substance is of the order of 0.7 electron volt. Answer is option B, semiconductor. Third question, in a Zener regulator, change in load current produces change in dash. Option A, Zener current. Maximum efficiency of a half-wave rectifier is option C, 40.6%. Fifth question, a center tap full-wave rectifier consists of dash diodes. Option B, 2 diodes. Question number 6, what is the type of filter shown in the figure? Answer is option A, low pass filter. In a transistor there are dash depletion layers, 2 depletion layers. Option B, 2 depletion layers. Eighth question, if the value of alpha in a transistor is 0.9, then the value of beta is dash. ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീയിൽ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് 90, പക്ഷേ ആക്ച്വൽ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ്, 9 ആണ്. അത് അടുത്ത ആൻസർ കീയിൽ കറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് വരുമെന്ന് നമുക്ക് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാം. 9th question, where should be the bias point set in order to make the transistor work as an amplifier? Option A, active. Question number 10, emitter follower is used for option C, impedance matching. 11th question, which among the following does not belong to the category of LC oscillators? Option C, crystal oscillator. The channel of a JFET is between option D, drain and source. Choose the correct statement. MOSFET is a unipolar voltage controlled 3-terminal device. Option C ആണ് correct answer. ഇനി 14th question, what are the working regions of a unijunction transistor? Option A, negative resistant region. 15th question, which of the following is the optoelectronic devices? Option D, all of the above. 16th question, an optocoupler provides dash between input and output. Answer is option C, isolation. 17th question, clamping is the process of introducing a option B, DC level to an AC signal. 18th question, an square wave generator is a dash multivibrator. A stable multivibrator ആണ് ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ A. The op-amp can amplify option C, both DC and AC signals. The common mode voltage gain of an op-amp is smaller than the differential voltage gain. Option B. 21, what is the feedback factor of voltage follower circuit? Answer is option B, unity. 22, the internal circuitry of a 555 timer consists of dash, an RS flip-flop, a transistor switch, etc. അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ്, 2 comparators. 23, the 7912 regulator IC provides option D, -12 volt. 24, the fastest ADC is dash ADC. Option C, successive approximation ADC. 25th question, what is the disadvantage of a binary weighted type DAC? Answer is option B, requires wide range of resistors. 26th question, the phase velocity of a waveguide at a cutoff frequency is? Answer is option C, infinite. For a short circuit lossless line having length less than a quarter wavelength will have an input impedance. Answer is option A, purely inductive. 28th question, the main reason of occurring standing waves is due to option B, impedance mismatch. 29, the speakers which cover the frequencies from 16 Hz to 1000 Hz are called option D, woofers. 30th question, the ratio of the current or voltage entering the network to the current or voltage leaving the network is known as option B, propagation constant. 31st question, a number of identical parallel antennas arranged along a line perpendicular to the line of array axis and each element fed with current of equal magnitude and same phase is known as answer A, broadside array. 32nd question. RF amplifier in a super heterodyne receiver is used to, answer is option D, increase rejection of image frequency. 33. In TV circuits, the equalizing pulses are sent during, option B, horizontal retrace ആണ് ആൻഡ് പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീയിൽ ആൻസർ ആയിട്ട് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. ബട്ട് ഐ തിങ്ക് ദ ആൻസർ ഇസ് വെർട്ടിക്കൽ ബ്ലാങ്കിങ്. 34th question. The frequencies in ultra-high frequency range are normally propagated by, option A, space wave. 35th question. An example of a multi-band high-frequency receiving antenna is, option D, log periodic antenna. 36th question. A pin diode is a, option B, used as a microwave switch. 37. The modulation system which is commonly used in telegraphic communication is, option C, frequency shift gain. 38th question. The code which is used for parity check is, option B, ASCII. 39th question. The transmission rate of data in a modem is measured in, option C, bits per second. 40. The on-off keying method of data transmission is otherwise known as, option A, ASK. 41. The type of microphone used in telephone is, option D, carbon microphone. 42. The type of noise which is having greater impact at higher frequency is, option C, transit time noise. 43. Which of the following modulation system is the most noise resistant one? Option C, PCM. The reason for Rayleigh scattering loss in optical fiber is, B, structural fault in glass. 45. Quantizing noise occurs in, option C, pulse code modulation. 46. The main disadvantage of CW Doppler radar is, option A, does not give target range. 47. The circuit that separates synchronous pulses from the composite video waveform is, option B, a clipper. Optical fibers used for communication purpose are mostly fabricated using, option A, silica. 49. Which of the following expression is true in the case of open circuit parameters? Option C, V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. 50. The A-scope displays the target range only. Option D, the target range only. 51. According to Kepler's law, the orbit of any smaller body about a larger body is always, option C, ellipse. 52. Perigee is, option B, the point on satellite orbit nearest to the center of Earth. 53. The inclination of a retrograde orbit lies between, option B, 90 degree and 180 degree. 54. The synchronous orbit is at a distance of dash above the surface of Earth. Option D, 35,786 km. 55. The project Iridium is the most important application of, option A, LEO satellites. 56. The apogee and perigee are always exactly opposite to each other. The statement is, option A, true. 57. The basic Cassegrain antenna consists of, option C, a main paraboloid and a subreflector which is hyperboloid. 58. Denoting the focal length of a parabolic reflector by P and the focal length F, then the space attenuation function SAF is given by, option D, F by P all square. 59. The satellite is known as spinners are used for, option B, attitude control. 60. The station keeping is applicable for, option A, orbit control of geostationary satellites. 61. The system which allows the antenna to handle, transmit or receive signals simultaneously is known as, option B, duplexer. 62. Which was the first communication satellite placed in geostationary orbit? Option D, Intelsat 1. 63. The series of interconnected units which forms a single communication channel between transmit and receiving antennas in a communication satellite is known as, option C, transponders. 64. The TV system employs a single outdoor unit so that all channels are made available simultaneously at the indoor receiver is named as, Option D, CATV. 65. The ascending nodes of orbits in the GPS constellation are separated by dash and the inclination of each orbit is dash. Option B, 60 degree and 55 degree. 66. The passive satellite cannot generate power of its own and it reflects the incident power. The statement is option A, true. 67. Which coordinate system is used with the GPS system? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി, ജിയോസെൻട്രിക് ആൻഡ് ഇക്വറ്റോറിയൽ കോർഡിനേറ്റ് സിസ്റ്റം ആണ് നമുക്ക് ആൻസർ ആയിട്ട് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. 68. ദ എഫക്റ്റ് ഓഫ് എക്ലിപ്സ് ഡസ് നോട്ട് എഫക്ട് ദ ഓപ്പറേഷൻ ഓഫ് ജിയോ സ്റ്റേഷനറി സാറ്റലൈറ്റ് ഇഫ് ദ സാറ്റലൈറ്റ് ലോഞ്ചിറ്റ്യൂഡ്സ് ആർ ഡാഷ് ഓഫ് എർത്ത് സ്റ്റേഷൻ. ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് ആൻസർ, വെസ്റ്റ്. 69. The solar panels in the satellite are arranged in the form of dash to obtain high power. ആൻസർ സി ആണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്, റെക്ടാങ്കുലർ സോളാർ സെയിൽസ്. 70. The system which transmit information about the satellite to Earth station and receive command signals from Earth station is known as option B, TT and C. 71. The temperature extremes experienced from solar flux and cold backgrounds of deep space can be minimized by option A ആണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്, spinning satellites. 72. Space Transportation System STS is an expandable launch vehicle. The statement is option B, false. 73. Which band of frequencies are used for the satellite services in MSAT? Option D, L band. 74. In C band, the nominal uplink and downlink frequencies are option C, 6 GHz and 4 GHz. 75. The conditions required for an orbit to be geostationary. Option B, this orbit must be circular. 76. The first version of GSM used is option B, 124 full duplex channels. 77. The minimum distance which allows the same frequency to be reused will depends on option D, all of the above. 78. The transmission power of a cell has to be limited in order to option B, avoid interference with the next cell using the same frequency. 79. The time over which a call is made within a cell without handoff is option B, dwell time. 80. In fast fading, option B, coherence time is less than symbol period. 81. In FDM, the frequency band overlapping is avoided using option A, guard band. 82. In a cell, which is the radio channel used for transmission of call setup, call request and call initiation. Option B ആണ് correct answer, control channels. The handoff operation involves option C, identifying a new base station and reallocating the channels with the new base station. 84. The chord division multiple access scheme is based on option C, spread spectrum technology. 85. Delay spread is due to option A, multipath reflection. 86. Which of the following is true in a duct system? Option D, all of the above. 87. The channel capacity may be improved by using option A, cell splitting. 88. If bandwidth over which the channel has constant gain and linear phase response is smaller than the bandwidth of a transmitted signal, the received signal undergoes C, frequency selective feeding. 89. Dash is a dynamic database which stores all important information needed for users currently associated to MSc. Option B ആണ് answer, VLR. 90. In mobile communication, the most commonly used shape of cell is hexagon because option D, all of the above. 91. Which of the following multiple access scheme is using soft handover? Option D, CDMA. 92. The operation subsystem of GSM has OMC, AUC and EIR, where EIR stands for option B, Equipment Identity Register. 93. Crosstalk from two different radio transmitters using the same channel may result in option C, co-channel interference. 94 dash resolve the problem of limited radio spectrum. 94 answer is option A, handover. Option A handover ആണ് ആൻസർ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. ബട്ട് ഐ തിങ്ക് ആൻസർ ഇസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി, സെൽ സ്പ്ലിറ്റിംഗ്. 94 the statistical measure of the range of frequency over which the channel can be considered flat is option C, coherence bandwidth. 96 in GSM system identify the function of MSC. Option C is answer, coordinate all the activities of base station and connects the entire cellular system of PSTN. 97 in GSM dash is used to separate uplink and downlink. Option C, option B, FDD is the answer. 98 suppose there are n cells in cellular system and each cell is associated with a K channel. The total number of available channels is given by option D, S equal to K into N. 99 before a subscriber can use any service from GSM network, he must be authenticated. This authentication is based on option B, SIM. 100th question. Near far effect is a severe problem in wireless network using option D, CDMA. Engineering assistant PWD. ഇത് പ്രൊഫഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ ആണ്. ഇതിലെ ആൻസേഴ്സ് ഇനിയും വ്യത്യാസങ്ങൾ വരാം. അപ്പോൾ അപ്ഡേറ്റഡ് ആൻസർ കീ നമുക്ക് ഇനിയും ചാനലിലൂടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. താങ്ക് യു.